Hello and welcome back to Bonner's Crafts. So today's project is these pretty earrings, super easy and perfect for beginners. For this sample, I'm using a superfine yarn and a 1.5mm hook. Let's get started. Start with one magic ring around the finger. Chain 1, chain 9, work into each of the next chains, insert your hook and pull up a loop. We have 9 loops on the hook. Now chain 1 into the ring. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And repeating until only 1 loop remains on your hook. Chain 4. Insert your hook between these 2 stitches and work 1 single crochet. That's a picot. Working in the back loop only, insert your hook into each stitch and pull up a loop. Nine loops on the hook. Chain 1 into the ring. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And repeating until only 1 loop remains on your hook. Don't forget to like this video if you're enjoying this tutorial so far. Chain 4. Between these 2 stitches, work 1 single crochet. And repeat for a total of 13 rows. Pull the yarn tight. Sew the two ends together to form a hollow tube. Weave in the extra yarn. Cut off the yarn. Turn the work inside out. Insert the hook. Chain 4. And then work 1 single crochet. Now thread the beads onto your yarn before you begin. Tie a simple knot. Chain 16. Slide 3 beads up close to your hook. Skip 2 chains, then work 1 slip stitch in the 3rd chain. Work 1 slip stitch in each of the next chains, except the last 2. Now chain 15. Slide 3 beads up close to your hook. Skip 2 chains, then work 1 slip stitch in the 3rd chain. Work 1 slip stitch in each of the next chains. Now chain 14. Slide 3 beads up close to your hook. Skip 2 chains, then work 1 slip stitch in every chain starting from the 3rd. Now work 1 slip stitch in each of the remaining chains. Now sew these 2 pieces together. And finally, attach the connecting ring and then the earring hook to the flower. Here's your bellflower earring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and hit subscribe. Have a great day!